Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. Today I will show you how to resize an image in Windows 10. Now the first thing you have to do is go to your web browser and download the Windows 10 PowerToys. This is the program that is released by Microsoft that gives extra utilities and functionality to Windows 10. And then you go to click on it, it goes to GitHub, and then you are in the PowerToys section and release, and you can download it. That's the stable version. I'm not going to do it now because I've installed PowerToys already, and then you just click on the download button of the latest release, download PowerToys, and then once PowerToys is installed, you will see it in your menu, your start menu. You can either search for it in your search box or just click it in your start menu, and that'll open. And then you've got to just go right click on it, settings. Just wait for that to open. And then once PowerToys is open after you've installed it, you will see on the left there is a header called Image Resizer, and obviously turn that on, and here is your Image Resizer in PowerToys. Now I'm not going to go into the settings here too much because the default settings are basically enough for the average user to use, but you have got different image sizes you can create for default settings. You can even add a size, different encoders, JPEG encoder, different BMP, PNG encoders. I'll just leave it at JPEG, and the quality level, default. Basically these settings will be fine, more than fine for the average user to resize an image. So once you have checked all those settings out and you have turned it on, you can actually close PowerToys. Just want to exit it completely. And then go to the image or images you want to resize. I'm just going to go to my File Explorer quickly, and I've just put a copy of a wallpaper into my downloads folder. Now there's the image I want to resize. Now all I do is, the moment it is 2880 by 1800. Now if I want to resize that, all I do is I hover over it, I right click, and the PowerToys would have put a entry into your right click menu saying resize pictures. It's not there by default. It's only added when you install the PowerToys and enable the image resizer. So there, resize in pictures, and then it'll bring up a little menu. Now you can see here I can resize it to small, 854 by 480. These were those settings that we looked at in the PowerToys program itself, which you can change there if you don't like the actual sizes over here that are made by default. You can go large, you can go phone size, you can even do your custom, and you can put in your own size over here. You can tick this to make pictures smaller but not larger. I'll just leave that off. You can resize the original pictures, don't create copies. I'll leave that off, and then ignore the orientation of pictures. I'll leave that on. So let's just say we want to resize it to large, 1920 by 1080, and we go resize, and you can see it has created a copy of that. And if we hover over the original, it's 2880 by 1800, 144 kilobits. If we hover over the copied one, it's 1728 by 1080, which is the closest it will get to the actual setting we chose, and it's 136 kilobits. And that is how you resize an image in Windows 10. I hope you found this video useful. Once again, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.